Thinking about selling your home? Here are some tips to ensure a buyer-ready house in no time. First up, curb appeal. It's all about that first impression. Mow the lawn, trim any overgrown shrubs, and consider putting a fresh coat of paint on that front door. Inside, decluttering is key. Create a spacious feel by storing away personal items and excess furniture. It is essential to make a space feel open and versatile. And here's a pro tip: remove any personal photos. You want potential buyers to easily imagine themselves living in that space. Staging can transform a space. Simple touches like a decorative vase on a dining table or a cozy throw on a sofa can make a room feel more warm and inviting. Cleanliness matters. Ensure your home is spotless, from the kitchen countertops to the bathroom tile, everything in between. Lastly, light can make a world of difference. Allow as much natural light into the house as possible. It not only brightens the space, but it makes the rooms appear larger. With these simple little tips, your home will not just be on the market, it will be in demand. So happy selling.